In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Google Drive with Notion, a simple yet powerful setup that allows you to connect your Notion workspace with Google Drive for seamless file access and sharing. Whether you're a student organizing class materials, a professional managing projects, or simply someone looking to stay organized, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open Notion, either through your web browser or the desktop app, and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in your Notion workspace, look at the top left corner where your profile name or workspace title appears. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings panel, scroll until you find the section labeled Connections. This is where you can manage integrations between Notion and other platforms such as Google Drive, Slack, or GitHub. Now, under the Connections section, look for Google Drive, click on it, and you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to sign in with your Google credentials. Choose the account you'd like to link and grant Notion permission to access your Google Drive. This allows Notion to embed and display your files directly within Pages. Once authorization is complete, your Notion workspace will now be connected to your Google Drive. You can easily embed or attach files, folders, and documents into your Pages. To do this, go to any Notion page, type the /command/Google Drive, and select the integration option from the list. From there, you can browse your Drive files, choose the one you want, and it will instantly appear as a linked item or embedded preview right inside Notion. This connection not only helps you access documents faster, but also improves collaboration. If you're working in a shared workspace, team members can view, comment, or open Google Drive files directly from Notion without switching tabs or applications. A quick note: make sure your Notion plan supports external integrations. Most personal and team plans allow this feature, but if you're on a limited free plan, you might need to upgrade to unlock full integration capabilities. Once everything is set up, you'll enjoy a smoother, more efficient workflow. You can manage project files, link folders for easy reference, or even use Google Docs and Sheets right inside your Notion pages, keeping everything connected in one place. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with Notion. It's an excellent way to enhance productivity and keep your workspace clean and centralized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more tech integration tips to boost your productivity using smart digital tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.